Hello friends, I am Dr. Syed Khadiruddin Chishti and I am teaching physics to the BSc third year students. My today's topic is pure rotational spectrum of a diatomic molecule. What is a diatomic molecule? Means there are two molecules. They are separated by some distance and each molecule is having mass m1 and m2 and they are rotating about the given axis. This axis is perpendicular to the line joining them. Okay, so suppose here the distance of the axis from the first molecule is r1, distance of the second molecule from axis is r2. Therefore we can say that the total distance r is equal to sum of the distance r1 plus r2. Okay, so here we can say that using the formula of the forces, law of forces, m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2, m1 r1 is equal to m2 r2. Means we can find the value of r1 as m2 by m1 into r2. Now we also know that the moment of inertia of the molecule is given by m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square. The sum of the moment of inertia. Moment of inertia of this one about this axis, moment of inertia of this one about this axis. That is moment of inertia is mr square. So we can substitute this value of r as r is equal to r1 plus r2. Here I can substitute the value of r1 as m2 by m1 into r2, means this value, plus r2 as it is. I will take r2 common. So r2 is equal to m1 plus m2 upon m1. Okay, m1 plus m2 upon m1. If I take r2 common and take the LCM, so value of r2 in terms of r, take the m1 to this side, m1 plus m2, m1 upon m1 plus m2 into r. Okay, now similarly I can find the value of r1 as m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r. Therefore I will substitute this value of r1 and r2 here in this equation of moment of inertia as I is equal to m1 upon m1 plus m2, m1 as it is, and value of r1 square, you have to take the square, so m2 square upon m1 plus m2 whole square into r square. Similarly m2 as it is, value of r2 is m1 square upon m1 plus m2 whole square into r square. So I will take here m1 m2 common from these two, r square is also common. So inside the bracket m1 plus m2 divided by m1 plus m2 whole square. So 1 will get cancelled and you will get here m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r square. This is the value of the moment of inertia. Now let us find the rotational kinetic energy. In rotational motion we studied that the kinetic energy as half I omega square. What is I? m1 m2 upon m1 plus m2 into r square. Let us suppose this one is m dash, so I is m dash r square. Okay, so kinetic energy is half I omega square, but we know that the angular momentum L is equal to I omega. Therefore energy, if I substitute here for I as L upon omega, then after simplification L square upon 2I. This is the value of the kinetic energy known as the rotational kinetic energy in terms of L and I. But we know that L is the orbital quantum number, is equal to j root over j into j plus 1 h cross that we studied in the atom model. So Ej means the energy in the jth level is equal to L square upon 2I. For L square, I am squaring this j into j plus 1 h cross square upon for I m dash r square. Okay, now from the above equation we can say that the diatomic molecules cannot have any energy level, but the energy is quantized and it is limited to j. The rotational energy depend upon the value of the moment of inertia, and we can say that the delta j can be taken as plus or minus 1. To find the energy, we have the equation h nu is equal to ei minus ej, means I level minus j level, means j minus ej minus 1. So for this I can write j into j plus 1 h cross square upon 2I minus j minus 1 into j upon h cross square upon 2I, where if I substitute for h cross h upon 2 pi, if I solve it, I will get here as nu is equal to j h cross square upon I. So if I solve it, substitute here h cross as h upon 2 pi, I will get nu is equal to I h square upon 4 pi square into I. Or if this one is j, then we can say that it is nu is equal to j into nu 0, where nu 0 is h square upon 4 pi square into I. 4 pi square into I. Okay, where the value of j may be taken as 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. But the rotational spectra occur in the absorption region, means the from lower to the higher energy state, that is Ej plus 1 minus Ej. So I can write here E square h square upon 4 pi square I into h, j plus 1, that is h upon 2 pi 4 pi square I, j plus 1 is the value of the frequency. So energy is equal to j into j plus 1 h square upon 2I. If I substitute here j equal to 0, then h square h cross square upon 2I. If I substitute here j equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1, 2 into 1, 2 h cross square upon 2I. J equal to 2, then 6, it is 2 into 1, 3, 2 plus 1, 3 into 2, it is 6 h cross square upon 2I. So this is the energy level diagram for the rotational spectrum of a diatomic molecule. Energy level number 1, we have find out the energy E1 is equal to 2 h cross square upon 2I, means from lower to the higher state, jump of the electron. E2, when I put j equal to 2, 6 h cross square upon 2I, from second to the higher state. And E3 means when I put j equal to that is j into j plus 1 h cross square upon 2I. This is the formula. If I put here j equal to 3, then I will get this one. J equal to 4, 20 h cross square upon 2I, means the electron may jump from the lower to the higher state. So this is all about the pure rotational spectrum of a diatomic molecule. Thank you.